Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Fideco hard drive docking station, and we're going to install it and set it up on my chia farming machine. So for those who don't know, I do farm chia as well. So I've got this machine here. I will show you the inside of it when we set up everything, because I've got two hard drives over here that I'm going to remove them and install them on this docking station. And plus that, I've got this new Bliksem solid state drive. I was told that this is very good, and I'm starting to commercialize them as well as this docking station. So this is my chia setup here. So it's not a big farm. I've only got like let me double check here. I think it's 203 plots. If I go over to plots here, so yeah, 273 plots that I've got, and add the SSD drive so I can plot some more. And we're going to install this hard drive box here. So I do have another SSD drive here, which is a small one, so it does have a couple of plots there that I'm going to be moving around. So before we continue with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button, and please do subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and have a look at this HDD docking station. So this docking station supports 3.5 SATA drive as well as 2.5, but you can also actually put two 3.5 drives on it as well. So looking at the box here, just an illustration here of what it looks like. And then on the side here, we've got the company name, so the manufacturer, got the address and the email if you are looking for support. It's got the importer information and the manufacturer information, and nothing else here on the side. So this drive does support USB 3.0. It's a dual bay HDD docking station, and it just connects to your computer through a USB cable. So I do have USB 3.0 on this machine, so I do have slots for that. And like I mentioned, we're also going to be installing this one. So let's have a quick look here into this drive. So let's open up the box. Let's have a look at the contents. So inside the box, we've got the docking station. We've got a power cable here and a manual. So this is just glued up together. Let's see if I can remove it. Okay, and that's done. So you got the wall charger here. So this is a UK wall charger, and you've got the instruction manual as well that comes with the drive. Besides that, we've got a USB 3.0 cable that comes with this docking station as well. So I'm just going to remove this out of the way. Here. Okay, so this is what the docking station looks like. Here at the back, we've got the USB 3.0 input cable. We've got the power source here. We've got an on and off button. At the bottom, we've got here just information about the model, and at the front we've got the brand. At the top, we've got a clone button. So this has a clone feature that allows you to clone data from one disk to the other. And you've got some light indicators here. So you've got the power light indicator, you've got the drive indicators here as well, and then of course the bays. This is my chia setup here. So I've got quite a few drives here, as you can see. So I do have a SCSI controller over there that controls all the SCSI drives. I do have an SSD drive over there. I've got the Crucial SSD drive, which has the operating system. And I've got these two drives over here that I'm going to remove and connect them to the docking station. So let's go ahead and do that. To disconnect, basically, I'm just going to remove the SATA drives, and then the power drive, the power cables as well. I'm going to remove one of the drives from up here. It's a 1.5 terabyte, and the other one, which is a 2 terabyte drive. So I had this cover here so they don't touch each other. And here we go. So got the 2 terabyte drive there. So let's get the docking station and install these drives. Now, one of the things here about this docking station is you can actually remove these covers, or you can just leave them as they are and just insert the drives over here. So I've got the drive here and I've got the docking station, and just to insert the drive onto the docking station, all you have to do is just as such push it down, and this connects to the SATA connectors on the docking, and then the second drive as well goes in the same way. And as I mentioned, you can have both 3.5 inch as well as 2.5 inch drives. So I'm gonna get this and put it here on top of the computer, and from here I am going to connect the USB cable to the docking station, and very easily just connect the cable at the back here. Okay, that's now connected, as you can see. And next up, I'm going to connect the power cable. So connect the power cable over here. Okay, so we've got the USB cable connected as well as the power cable. And at the back of the computer, I'm going to connect the USB cable to a USB 3 port, which is exactly this one here. So it's the blue port on your computer. So this is the 3.0 USB port. Okay, that's been connected. I do have quite a few here as well, USB 3.0 ports. And next up, I'm going to install the new SSD drive, to which I will create my temporary plots. So this is a Bliksem SSD drive, 512 gigs. This drive, they say here that it can transfer data at 6 GB per second, which is very good. So it is a fast drive. I'm going to be testing this for the next weeks, and yeah, if there are any issues with it, I'll let you know as well. So let's install this drive now. So to install the drive, we just need a SATA cable and a power cable as well. So to connect the drive as well, so it's very simple. So you got the connectors at the back here, and let's connect. So the SATA data drive is connected, and now we need a power supply, and I've got quite a few here available. Here we go, and just connect the power supply. Okay, power supply connected, and we are good to go. So I'm just gonna leave this hanging over here, because this machine is gonna go into my shed. I actually had it in the shed. The computer is fully booted now, and I can already see here we've got the 2 TB SATA drive, and we've got the 1.5 SATA drive, as well as the SSD drive that I've just installed, and everything just looks great. Because I had already initialized these drives, formatted them, and got them up and running, I don't need to do anything really. I'm going to format here the SSD drive. I want to give it another name, so I'm gonna just calling it the plot drive. So that's the plot drive there, and I'm going just to format it, do a quick format here. Format is complete, and it is up and running. So this is it really for this unboxing of this Fideco docking station and the Bliksem SSD drive. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit that like button, and please do subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you on the next video.